Unwind. I unwind with a book after a long day. I am unwinding the garden hose right now. I have unwound completely since the holiday began. The spring has been unwinding slowly all afternoon. I unwound the bandage carefully. I was unwinding by the fire when the guests arrived. I had unwound the cable before the show started. The clock's mechanism had been unwinding for hours before it stopped. I will unwind at the spa this weekend. I will be unwinding on the beach all week. By tonight, I will have unwound after the exams. By then, I will have been unwinding at this resort for a fortnight.